Hey guys, so welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to convert video to MP4. So in order for you to do this process, first thing is just simply click the search bar on the bottom left and just simply search for Microsoft Store and just simply open it up. And from here, use the search bar from the Microsoft Store and search for a VLC and just simply go ahead and click on this application over here and just simply select install. So guys, we are using a VLC as a converter, and once it is done, a pop-up window will show up and just simply select yes. Now once it is installed, you will just simply go ahead and use the search bar again, and from here just simply type in a VLC and you will have here the VLC media player. Now just simply go to the media on the top left and then go for convert/save, and from here just simply go ahead and select add. So guys, just simply select a video that you want to convert and select open over here, and after that just simply go for convert/save over here. And now from here just simply go for the profile and select this one, and just simply go ahead and select this one, MP4. And after that, you would just simply select browse over here to select a destination file. And I'm gonna go for desktop, and from here provide a file name. And as you can see, it will save as type as MP4 and select save and just simply select start, and it will be on your desktop. After that guys, once it is done converting, you will have the MP4 file into the location that you save it, and when you open it up, it will be an MP4 file. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.